All right, another day down. I may do a little bit more work getting some of these screws out up there. I'm taking all this off, all the cap, because I'm going to reseal it and all that. And I just want to make sure that the wood is has some kind of integrity to it. I have a feeling there may be some patches. They may have to put new stuff in, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that the wood back here really isn't that bad at all. This piece right here is real super soft, but all that stuff is hard. And I thought that was going to be in bad shape. Interesting about the paneling, you know how this thing feels almost like fiberglass, feels so thick. It's actually not that thick of aluminum. It's got like that little thin piece of plywood type thing that backs it. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Then up here, if you see, as you get up here, it lost a little bit more integrity, but it's still intact. And I think up here, if I'll do a little scraping, wood hardener, I'm taking all the windows out, and I will reseal them. And then let's see over here, about the same. Not too shabby. Right on the bottoms, which it really isn't that big a deal. It's a little crispy. That's not too bad. And then, as you can see, it just gets better. And I think a lot of this darker stuff on here too. A lot of dust gets up in here. A lot of dirt and dust. Took the windows out on these two sides. Let's head inside. Of course, yeah, floor's still out here. We'll do that last. This side actually wasn't as bad. I thought it was going to be worse, but it's got a lot of integrity left. Yeah, this looks, some of the stuff not touched it by water at all. Here in a little corner, that's not bad. That's still pretty hard. So, this, of course, we got out. Used the multi-tool and were able to chop it off. We'll end up putting it back there, but it's going to not be Lazy Daze secured, but it'll be good. And then right here is where a little bit of the rotting is, and we're going to replace this wood here that needs to be replaced, and right down here too. It's got metal going down right here. That's nice. I like to see lots and lots of that. I'm surprised they made these in wood. This is the bad side. This is where we're gonna have to do. We haven't ripped into this yet, but we're gonna have to. This one had bad leaks, so this will not be the fun side. We'll have to take this part out and rebuild it. It's super soft. It's wood there. And again, haven't really got over here, but you can see there's some soft stuff there, but luckily, as I said, the outside of that is pretty intact. Oh no, not a bad day. I was expecting a lot worse. I'm sure we'll find some things, but definitely not going to be like it was rebuilt by Lazy Daze themselves. But we're going to seal this thing up solid, repair what we need to repair, and it's going to be good. Just not inexpensive. And then all this stuff is good too. This is just, over the years, people spilling drinks and whatnot, but it's not water damage from outside.